Heavy snow and strong winds have brought disruption to many parts of southern England for a second day. Roads were closed and rail services disrupted in Sussex and Kent. Eurostar cancelled all its services because of severe weather in northern France and Belgium. Duncan Kennedy has the latest.
Mid-Sussex, mid-March, and a wintry scene masking desperate conditions on the roads of southern Britain. The A23 corridor out of Brighton saw some of the worst snowfalls and driving winds. Many drivers gave up. Others were caught in the more than 300 reported collisions in Sussex alone.
Well, we had to sleep in the car as best we could until this morning when we managed to get the car up to the service just here to get some hot drink.
How would you describe your experience?
Horrendous. And quite frightening, actually.
But some drivers have also been angry, saying the authorities should have done more, especially in clearing smaller roads like this. Those in charge of the roads here say they understand the frustrations.
Oh, clever